LuLu the Tiger and the Yummiest Pizza by Anne Lee. Illustrated by Katerina Kalinichenko. LuLu the Tiger and her friends play on the playground. They climb bars, ride the swings, and run all around. "I feel so hungry," says LuLu. "Don't you?" Her friends nod and say, "We're hungry too." LuLu says, "Let's all go to my house and eat. It won't take long. It's right across the street." LuLu asks, "What are we going to eat? Fruit or vegetables? Or maybe some meat?" Her friends shrug. They don't know. "How about pizza?" asks Hal Hippo. LuLu asks, "What can everyone do to make Hal's pizza idea come true?" Eddy Elephant says, "I'll match the tomatoes up nice." Hal Hippo adds, "I'll give the zucchini a slice." Gregory Giraffe says, "I'll grate the cheese." Penelope asks, "Can I mix in oregano, please?" Zoe says, "I'll knead the dough while you do that." And LuLu says, "I'll roll it out flat." They take the tomatoes, zucchini, cheese, and oregano and spread them all out on top of the dough. They put the pizza into the oven to bake. Phew, that was hard work. We need a break. LuLu and her friends start to play. They are having so much fun today. Then Gregory Giraffe says, "What's that smell?" His friends smell something strange as well. "The pizza is burnt." LuLu wants to cry and shout, but she takes a deep breath and says, "Let's figure this out." Then her friends all give her a great big hug, and she feels so much better with her friends close and snug. Gregory says, "It's a mistake that anyone could make." Penelope says, "We can fix it together. Let's bake." "Let's make another pizza," says LuLu. "We have dough left," says Zoe. "It hasn't started to harden," Eddy Elephant adds, "and there are tomatoes in the garden." "Oh no!" Eddy Elephant slips. All the tomatoes fly into the air. But Eddy Elephant does a wonderful roll and catches the tomatoes back in his bowl. The friends put another pizza in the oven to bake, and this time they won't make the same mistake. They set a timer and sit down to wait. This time they know their pizza will be great. The timer goes off, the pizza is heated. LuLu and her friends can't wait to eat it. It is tasty and terrific, a delicious delight. It is the yummiest pizza they have ever eaten, and they enjoy every bite. Thanks for reading with us. This story was read by Storytime. If you'd like to hear more stories, please subscribe.